accused the MP for Tigania East of demanding that the governors pre-qualifies his 12 companies for the award of county tenders. D. Falsely accusing the MP for Tigania East of presenting fake pending bills for payment by the county government. And E. Falsely accusing the MP for Tigania East of cartelism, blackmail, greed, corruption, and intimidation. Evidence. 1. Gross violation of Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution. 2. Gross violation of Sections 19 of the Public Officer Ethics Act. 3. Gross violation of Section 29 and 34 of the Leadership Integrity Act. And 4. Gross misconduct is set in the video saved as Annex 14 in the first disc presented herewith. The transcript/translation of the video is attached as Annex 14A to the affidavit in support of the motion. Verification of the Catholic Church and clergy. On or around 17th October 2022, the governor, 1. Grossly violated Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution. 2. Grossly violated Sections 19 of the Public Officer Ethics Act. 3. Grossly violated Section 29 and 34 of the Leadership Integrity Act. And 4. Engaged in gross misconduct by A. Inciting the people against the Roman Catholic Church and the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Meru, Mr. Salesius Mugambi, at a public rally held at the former Ikoji Boys Secondary School. B. Falsely accusing the Catholic Church of grabbing public land. C. Falsely accusing the Catholic Church of cartelism, blackmail, greed, corruption, and intimidation. D. Conducting a mock public prayer to demean and humiliate the Catholic Church and the Catholic clergy. And E. Inciting the public against religious leaders while knowing that church conduct can easily trigger violent reactions and pose a serious breach of the peace. Evidence of the governors. A. Gross violation of Articles 10, 73, 75 of the Constitution. And 2. Gross violation of Section 19 of the Public Officers Ethics Act. 3. Gross violation of Section 29 and 34 of the Leadership Integrity Act. And 4. Gross misconduct is set in the video saved as Annex 15 in the first disc presented herewith. The translation of the video is attached as Annex 15A to the affidavit in support of the motion. Forced entry into the Assembly, presence and the mobilization of unlawful riot against members of the Assembly. On or around 19th October 2022, the governor and her husband, 1. Grossly violated Article 10, 73 and 75 of the Constitution. 2. Grossly violated Sections 5 and 7 of the County Assembly's Powers and Privileges Act 2017. And 3. Engaged in gross misconduct by A. Forcefully entering the premises of the Assembly. B. Falsely accusing members of the Assembly and other elected leaders of cartelism, blackmail, greed, corruption, and intimidation. C. Organizing a violent demonstration against the members of the Assembly at the Assembly presence. And D. Addressing a riotous crowd at the presence of the Assembly. Evidence of the governor and the husband. 1. Gross violation of Articles 10, 73, and 75 of the Constitution. 2. Gross violation of the Privileges Act 17. And 3. Gross misconduct is set in the videos saved as Annex 16 and Annex 17 in the first disc presented herewith. The translation of the videos are attached as Annex 16A and Annex 17A, the affidavit in support of the motion. Violation of public finance management laws. On 6 September 2022, the governor, 1. Grossly violated Articles 201 and 207, 1 of the Constitution. 2. Grossly violating Section 109(2) and 159 of the Public Finance Management Act